Hello, welcome to my channel. Subscribe now and let's dive into this exciting design adventure together. Thank you.
Tranquil Japanese courtyard at dusk, showcasing a serene watered garden with smooth, glistening stones and a gentle stream flowing through. Lush, vibrant green ferns and delicate plants accentuate the rocky landscape, creating a harmonious connection with nature. The architecture features traditional shoji screens with soft, diffused lighting illuminating the interior spaces, reflecting warm amber hues. The scene is set against a backdrop of dark wooden beams and a tiled roof, enhancing the peaceful, meditative ambience. Impressionistic style with soft, flowing lines and rich details that capture the essence of tranquility and natural beauty. Japanese Zen garden interior, hyperrealistic style, warm autumn colors, intricate stone patterns in raked sand depicting tranquility, vibrant maple trees with orange and green leaves, lush greenery surrounding smooth stone features, a wooden pathway leading through the garden, reflections in glass panels of a traditional Japanese house, sunlight filtering through the roof, creating dappled light on the sand, a serene and harmonious atmosphere. Create a serene Japanese garden scene that embodies tranquility and harmony. The setting features a meticulously arranged rock garden with fine white gravel and scattered dark stones, alongside lush greenery, including a large tree and various plants. Incorporate a soft, natural light filtering through the space, casting gentle shadows and highlighting the textures of the elements. The background should showcase a traditional wooden structure with shoji screens and a small indoor garden visible through the glass. Include subtle details like a lantern and shallow water features, enhancing the peaceful atmosphere. Utilize a hyperrealistic aesthetic with a rich color palette of greens, earthy browns, and soft whites, emphasizing the balance between nature and architecture.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.